Every stylist in this industry knows a secret that most women never get told. The word basic was never supposed to mean cheap, boring, or forgettable, but somewhere along the way, an entire generation was sold a lie that plain equals safe. Professionals do not build wardrobes out of basics, they build them out of upgrades. Today, that changes for you. These are the 10 exact swaps that stylists make behind the scenes to turn an average outfit into something that looks expensive, intentional, and completely put together, and none of them require a bigger budget, just a smarter eye. If you have ever wondered why some women look effortlessly put together in a plain top and jeans while you feel invisible in the exact same combination, the answer is almost never the money spent. It is the 10 decisions we are about to walk through, one at a time, so that by the end of this video, you will never look at your closet the same way again. Upgrade 1. The basic tank top becomes a fitted rib top or a soft bodysuit. A loose cotton tank top has no shape, and no shape means no silhouette, which is exactly why it disappears the second you put a jacket or a cardigan over it. Swap it for a ribbed knit top or a bodysuit that actually follows your waistline, and suddenly everything you layer on top has something to work with. The rib texture alone changes how the fabric catches light, so even the same plain color reads as more expensive the moment there is structure underneath it. A bodysuit also solves the constant tucking and untucking problem, which is a small detail that stylists rely on to keep a look clean through an entire day. Fabric weight decides whether this upgrade actually works. A thin, see-through ribbed knit undoes the entire point, so look for a slightly heavier stretch fabric that holds its shape without clinging in the wrong places. One well-fitted rib top in a neutral tone can replace 3 or 4 loose tank tops in your rotation without you losing a single outfit option. Upgrade 2. Skinny jeans become wide leg or straight leg jeans. Skinny denim had its decade, but the industry moved on years ago because a wide leg or straight leg cut does something skinny denim never could. It balances proportions instead of just clinging to them. A straight leg jean in a mid to dark wash pairs with heels, flats, and sneakers equally well, while skinny denim limits you to a narrow range of shoe shapes before the whole silhouette starts to look dated. If you only replace one pair of jeans this year, a high-rise straight leg cut is the single highest impact denim swap you can make. Rise matters just as much as leg shape here. A high-rise waistband that sits at your natural waist elongates the leg line instantly, while a low-rise cut tends to shorten it and create bulk around the hips. When you try on a new pair, check the rise first, then let the leg shape follow from there. A slight ankle break or a cropped hem also changes how a shoe reads underneath the pant, so it is worth trying a pair on with your most common shoe before deciding on the final length. Upgrade 3. The basic hoodie becomes an oversized cardigan or a structured knit sweater. A cotton hoodie is comfortable, but it reads as loungewear the second you step outside your house, and no amount of layering fixes that. An oversized cardigan in a ribbed or cable knit, or a structured crew neck sweater with a visible texture instantly signals that you got dressed on purpose instead of just grabbing whatever was closest. A cardigan also gives you a built-in way to adjust the silhouette throughout the day, since you can wear it open over a fitted top or belt it for more shape. Texture is doing a lot of quiet work in this swap. A cable knit, a waffle weave, or a chunky rib catches light differently than flat cotton fleece, which is exactly why a sweater in one of those textures reads as more expensive even at a similar price point to a hoodie. Once you start noticing texture in other women's outfits, you will realize it is one of the fastest visual cues the eye uses to judge quality before it ever registers brand or price. Upgrade 4. Leggings worn as pants become tailored trousers or a midi skirt. Leggings are excellent for workouts and for lounging, but worn as daily pants they read as unfinished no matter what you pair them with, because there is no structure for the eye to land on. A tailored trouser with a slight flare or a straight leg gives you the same comfort with an actual silhouette, while a midi skirt in a structured fabric adds movement and shape that leggings simply cannot offer. Either option instantly elevates the rest of your outfit, because everything above the waist now has a defined line to work against, instead of fading into soft fabric. If you love the comfort leggings give you, look for trousers with a bit of stretch woven into the fabric so you get a tailored look without giving up the ease you are used to. This is one of the fastest upgrades on the entire list because the change is visible from across the room, and it works for nearly every body type since the added structure does the flattering work that leggings simply cannot do on their own. Upgrade 5. Basic white sneakers stay, but the silhouette changes. Nobody is telling you to abandon white sneakers because they remain one of the most versatile shoes in existence. What changes is the silhouette. Chunky, oversized soles were a trend, and trends fade, while a clean, low-profile leather sneaker with a slim sole has stayed relevant for decades because it pairs with tailored pants and skirts just as easily as it pairs with denim. If your sneakers are the loudest part of your outfit, they are working against you instead of for you. Material choice separates the good pairs from the great ones here too. Leather, or a smooth leather alternative, will always look more refined than mesh or canvas, and it also ages better, developing a subtle, worn-in character instead of just looking dirty after a few months. Keep a second pair strictly for cleaner, dressier occasions, so your everyday pair never has to compromise between comfort and polish. Upgrade 6. The oversized graphic tee becomes a fitted tee with better proportions. Graphic tees are not the problem. Poorly fitting graphic tees are the problem. When a shirt is too large through the shoulders and boxy through the body, it hides your shape no matter how good the print is. Swap it for a tee with a fit that follows your actual shoulder line, whether that means a cropped length or simply a size down from what you normally buy, and the improvement will be immediate. Stylists call this the difference between wearing clothes and being worn by clothes, and it applies to nearly every category on this list. Shoulder seam placement is the easiest way to check this yourself in a mirror. If the seam sits well below your actual shoulder point and drops onto your upper arm, the shirt is too large, no matter how the rest of it fits. Look for a seam that lands right at your natural shoulder, because that placement alone will make an inexpensive tee look tailored rather than oversized. Upgrade 7. The basic canvas tote becomes a structured handbag. A soft canvas tote disappears into the background of an outfit in the worst way because it has no shape and no presence. A structured handbag in leather or a leather alternative with a defined base and clean edges adds a finished line to your silhouette and doubles as a styling anchor for the rest of the look. This matters more than people realize because bags are one of the few accessories visible in almost every single photo taken of you throughout the day. Color coordination applies here just as much as it does with shoes. A handbag in a neutral tone like tan, black, or a deep brown will match a far wider range of outfits than a brightly colored or heavily logoed option, which means you get more use out of a single well-chosen bag instead of needing several situational ones. Upgrade 8. Basic flip-flops or slides become refined sandals or loafers. Flip-flops and slides are built for convenience, not for silhouette, and the flat, shapeless sole works against a clean line every single time you wear them with anything other than the most casual outfit. A pair of leather sandals with a defined strap or a loafer with a slight heel gives you the same warm weather ease with a dramatically more finished appearance. Pair either one with the wide-leg trousers from Upgrade 2, and you already have an outfit that looks considered rather than thrown together. Strap placement is worth paying attention to as well. A sandal with a strap that sits at the ankle rather than low across the foot tends to elongate the leg, while a loafer in a soft leather works with both trousers and skirts without ever looking out of place. Upgrade 9. The basic zip-up hoodie becomes a blazer or a structured jacket. The zip-up hoodie has its place, but it rarely reads as intentional outerwear because the fabric and the silhouette both scream athletic wear. A blazer in a lightweight wool blend or a structured jacket in a heavier cotton gives you the same mid-layer warmth with a shape that instantly elevates whatever is underneath it. It is one of the most versatile pieces a stylist will reach for because it functions over a tank top, a fitted tee, or a dress with equal ease. Wearing it slightly open rather than fully zipped or buttoned gives you a relaxed, layered look without any extra effort, and it works just as well left open over the ribbed top from Upgrade 1. This kind of layering flexibility is exactly why one well-chosen blazer can replace 2 or 3 separate pieces in a typical rotation. Upgrade 10. Basic stud earrings become intentional jewelry layering. A single pair of small stud earrings is fine, but stylists rarely leave an outfit with just one piece of jewelry doing all the work. Adding a second layer, whether that is a delicate necklace, a stack of thin rings, or a slightly larger earring style swapped in for the occasion, changes the outfit from finished to styled. The goal is never to add more for the sake of more, it is to make sure at least one accessory choice looks deliberate rather than accidental. Start small if this category feels unfamiliar to you. A single thin necklace in a metal that matches your earrings, or one ring worn consistently, is enough to register as intentional without ever feeling like you are overdressed. The mistake most women make is either wearing zero jewelry or piling on too many pieces at once, and the sweet spot in between is smaller and easier to reach than most people assume. None of these 10 upgrades require you to throw out your entire closet or spend a fortune rebuilding it from scratch. What they require is a shift in how you evaluate the basics you already own. Every time you reach for a loose tank top, ask yourself if a ribbed fitted top would give your silhouette more definition. Every time you reach for skinny jeans, ask if a wide leg or straight leg cut would give you a cleaner line. The stylists who dress women for a living are not making magic happen. They are simply applying these 10 decisions consistently, outfit after outfit, until it becomes second nature. Notice too that almost every upgrade on this list connects to another one. The ribbed top pairs naturally with the wide leg trousers, the blazer layers over both, and the right sandals or sneakers finish whichever combination you land on. That is not an accident, because a wardrobe built on a small number of upgraded versatile pieces will always mix and match more easily than a closet full of unrelated basics that were never chosen to work together in the first place. This same principle is what separates a closet that feels overwhelming from one that feels effortless. When every piece is chosen to work with several others, getting dressed stops being a daily struggle and starts being a quick, almost automatic decision, which is exactly the outcome stylists are working toward every time they build a wardrobe from scratch. Start with just 3 of these upgrades this month. Pick the ones that feel the most achievable for your current closet and your current budget, and build from there. Fashion has never been about spending more. It has always been about choosing better. And now you know exactly which 10 choices separate a basic wardrobe from one that actually works for you. If this video changed the way you look at your closet, let me know in the comments which upgrade you are making first, and subscribe for more breakdowns like this one every single week. See you in the next one!